Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use green tea powder for your face. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 1 to 2 teaspoons of green tea powder. Next, combine the powder with a small amount of water or aloe vera gel. Mix these together thoroughly until you achieve a smooth, spreadable paste. This ensures an even application and maximum benefits for your skin. Before applying the mask, make sure your face is clean and dry. Gently spread the green tea paste over your entire face, extending down to your neck if desired. Be careful to avoid the sensitive skin around your eyes and mouth. A thin, even layer is all you need to start enjoying the benefits of this natural treatment. Once applied, let the green tea mask sit on your skin for about 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the beneficial compounds to work their magic. After the waiting period, rinse your face completely with lukewarm water, ensuring all traces of the mask are removed. Finish by gently patting your skin dry with a clean, soft towel. After rinsing, apply your usual moisturizer to lock in hydration and soothe your skin. For optimal results, incorporate this green tea mask into your skincare routine 1 to 2 times per week. Pay attention to how your skin responds. Some may benefit from more frequent use, while others prefer less. Enjoy your refreshed complexion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.